So our project is basically on showing how carbon monoxide can be detected with MQ7 sensor. So we are going to be burning plastic, which if you burn plastic, you get carbon monoxide. As you can see, the level here is green. Green LED is burning. So the value of my ADC is 984. According to our code, if the value is less than 1200, that means that if the value is less than 1200, then the MQ7 sensor will show the carbon monoxide level as low. If the value is greater than 1600, it will show it means that the carbon monoxide level is high, and if it is between 1200 and 1600, it means the value of carbon monoxide is in the middle range. So it will give out an yellow LED. So I am going to demonstrate with this matchbox. So as you can see, it's green right now. I'm going to take it here, and it's showing yellow color. And because it's between 1200 and 1600. The LED is red color here. This is because the level of carbon monoxide is nearly 2000, so the value of LED is red. Now the value of LED will go to green, to yellow. The value is going down. As soon as it reaches 1600, it will go down to, the LED color will change. It's still not gone down. The LED color has changed to yellow. Once it keeps going down, once it goes below 1200, it will become green. So the color will change now to green. As you can see, the color has changed to green. Thank you.